We've all been there. A technology project kicks off with energy, a solid plan, and good intentions. And then somewhere along the way, the timeline slips. The scope grows and the team gets overwhelmed. What was supposed to move your business forward starts to feel like it's holding you back. Those are exactly the problems TruNova Launchpad was built to solve. It's a new and less intimidating way to implement Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. It's structured enough to keep things on track and flexible enough to work the way your team actually works. You get a clear path from day one. No guessing what comes next. You choose how involved you want to be. Self-led or expert-guided, Launchpad works the same either way. You know what to expect, how much work it will take, and what it costs. When it comes time to introduce the new solution to your team, you feel confident and not exhausted. If you're ready to implement Business Central the right way, or just want to see what that could actually look like, visit launchpad.trunova.ai. Are you ready to launch?